Okay, so here we are in the Google Certified Educator Level 2 training course, and we're going to learn how to use Google Translate. So let's go Google Translate. And right here you'll see Google Translate, so we're going to click on this. And Google Translate's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. So we'll start with the first language. It says detect language here, which is good because if you don't know what it is, it'll detect it for you. So let's just first start with something English, right? So let's say you take the English words, how are you doing tonight? And immediately it's going to give you the translation in Spanish, which is ¿Cómo estás esta noche? However, let's say you want to check that out in French. Okay, comenta vas tú say soy. Or you want to do Icelandic. Or you want to do something else. You click down here and look at all these languages they have, right? Filipino. I. Okay. Now listen, you can also do a turn voice input on. So I'm going to try to do a voice input now. What time is it? And it translates it in Thai. And it continues to translate. So now let's say you want to use Google Translate to translate an entire document, which is one of the best things you can do here, right? So let's go to Documents. I'm going to browse my computer. And let's see what we have here. This is a study skills voiceover for a YouTube video that I did. And let's translate it into let's say, actually let's just say translate it to French. Okay, so we're going to translate the whole document. Check it out. The whole document is translated. There you go.